So in this video we're going to be having a look at our Putney 60k size 2 digital safe. This is a Eurograde 0 safe, so suitable for insurance purposes for storing either £6,000 in cash, or up to £6,000 in cash, or up to £60,000 worth of valuables. So this is the size 2. There is one size smaller, the size 1, and one size bigger, which is the size 3. There's a link to the range in the description below. Externally, the dimensions of this particular model, the height is 300 millimeters, and the width of the safe is 450 millimeters, and the depth is 426 millimeters. And this safe weighs in at 87 kilograms and has an internal storage capacity of 21 litres. So let's have a look at the keypad. This safe is opened using a 6-digit code. The safe is currently locked. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So we're going to press the on button and then the default code, which you will change when the safe is yours. It's 123456, and enter. You'll hear a little whiz, which is the solenoid spinning, and that light is green. We turn this and now the safe will open for us. This type of safe, where they have quite a thick door, it should be noted that the door will really need to open beyond 90 degrees to have full access to the safe. I mean, you can still use the safe, obviously, if your location is restricted where you want the safe to go, and the safe can just open to the confines of the extremity of the safe. You can still use it, but it won't be quite as comfortable as if you could open the door right the way up. So I've turned the flash on so that we can see inside the safe here, and as you can see, we have a removable shelf that can come out, and we have 3 fixing holes, 2 in the base. They are just plastic covers at the moment. That's the one that I've removed from the back, and that one in the rear there, and the safe is bolted onto the wall or down onto the floor, or both, depending on the location that you've got in mind. I'll just remove the shelf. One sec. So the shelf is now set to one side, and now we can see the inside of the safe. What I'll do now is I'll grab something to show you the internal size. So that's a regular Coke can, to give you an idea of the size. And I'll push it all the way to the back. And for perspective with the shelf back in, you can see the Coke can won't quite sit below the shelf or above it. And this is an A4 piece of paper, which, as you can see, the safe swallows up quite easily. There's plenty of room for quite a lot of papers, and you get some smaller A4 folders in there, no problem. So this safe is battery operated, and the battery lives inside this little door inside the safe. They do last a long time. Couple of years is not unusual, but we recommend using a high quality alkaline battery and changing them annually. We provide one when we install it. And a useful feature this particular safe has is if the battery should go flat and you'd think, oh, how do I get into the safe? Yeah, well, they've got that covered on this particular safe. So you've got on the keypad here in this center part, you've got 2 terminals, one marked minus and one marked plus, and they correspond with the terminals that you find on an ordinary 9-volt battery, the type of battery that goes in a smoke alarm. And that's the battery that's inside the safe as well. This is an industrial energizer, and what you're going to do is you're going to push these onto the terminals like so, and then enter your code as you would normally, and the safe will open, and then you can use the battery that you've just jump started it with to replace the internal battery, and you're back in business. So this is us, londonsafes.co.uk. Check us out online, and there is a link in the description of this video, and we will supply and install this safe for you in your home or business if you live in London or the home counties. We cover, roughly speaking, a 90-mile radius around our headquarters, which is in Hatfield, Hertfordshire. It will be professionally installed. We'll arrive in an unmarked vehicle, and you will be issued with a certificate of installation, which is what you need for your insurance. And thank you very much for watching.
free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.